Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mami Abna. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do this easy, simple cornrow hairstyle using needle and yarn. So this side of the braid, I used this yarn and thread, and at the back I did regular cornrows because I didn't like the effect the thread and needle was giving me at the back. If you are curious or interested on how I was able to come up with this hairstyle, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, or if you are new here, please do want to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you guys on somewhere in between the video. Quickly run you guys through the things that we're going to be using today. You first of all need your hair or yarn. I have my yarn here. I'm not going to use everything. You would need a needle this type, edge cream, scissors, some hair clips, a tail comb. So I'm going to start by making my love right here, and then we are going to do the other cornrows from this side or going to the back. So to do that, I'm just going to After making the patterns for the lab, I'm going to go ahead and start braiding this hair, and I'm not going to be adding extension in just because I want it to lay really flat. The needle and thread method makes your hair lay really flat because you're not really adding extension to the hair. So if I add extension to the left side, it's going to be a little bit bigger than the rest of the cornrow. So that is why I chose to do it this way. This is the first time I'm trying something like this on myself, so it was quite difficult braiding one side of the love, but I still pulled through. Now here I've started doing the thread and needle cornrows. This side, you guys, I can't really explain to you how I did it. Just watch the video, watch the motion of my hands, how I'm moving my hands, how I'm moving the needle, to get an idea of what I want to show you guys. That's all I can say. I cannot really explain what I'm doing, so just watch it. And as I said at the beginning of the video, the needle and thread wasn't giving me nice look at the back, so I decided to add an extension from the back and make it more nicer or look more presentable. So this is me feeding in the yarn at the back, and then I braided it all the way to the back. I think I used about 8 strands of yarn for this cornrow. I didn't use much hair because I wanted it to match with the front. So yeah, that is how come I got all of them being the same size. And once I was done, this is how the cornrow turned out. You guys can tell how beautiful these are. Okay loves, that'll be all for today's video. I hope you learned something from it. This hairstyle was inspired by Eve something. Please forgive me, I didn't get your name right, but I'm going to link her channel in the description. Please guys, make sure you support her, make sure you go check it out, because she is the original originator of this whole hairstyle. Please do want to come back again for more amazing hair tutorials, and I'll catch you guys on in my next one. Bye.